is the developed prototype for the Sri Lanka tourism and forecasting system. So first of all, user must log into the system. If the user is new to the system, then user can go to the registration and provide the required details and register the system. After that, he can log into the system. So here, user has to give his username and password to log in. Once the user is logged into the system, he will come to the home page. So here, user will be able to see how tourist arrivals happen in past 2 years. By using this icon, user will be able to compare the details as well. In addition to that, user will be able to see the tourist arrivals according to the region. By clicking on the more details option, user will be able to see the more details about this project. If the user wants to get the recent update about this system, user can click on the notification option. Then the notification will appear on this side. User can provide the comment and suggestions to the provided email. Under tourism forecast, user will be able to get the predicted number of tourist arrivals for upcoming months. Here, user will be able to select the statistical forecasting models such as Palima model and neural network auto regression model. So first of all, I am going to show you how to get the predictions using this Palima model. So here, using this slide bar, user will be able to select the required number of months to forecast with. For example, if the user wants to get the predictions in this December, user can simply select this into the table. Then the plot will automatically generate and give you the predictions after the selected number of forecasts. And the forecasting points, user will be able to see all the calculated predictions from this model. Under forecasting report by year, user will be able to see the predictions according to the selected year. By clicking on this icon, user can see the tourist arrivals predictions for the rest of the month. Here, user can download this forecasting report in both Excel and PDF format. Under forecasting report, user will be able to get the predictions for up to year 2030. Here also, user can download the forecasting report in both Excel and PDF format. When the user clicks onto the PDF option, the report will be automatically downloaded. When the report opens, you can see it will nicely display. Likewise, user can get the tourist arrivals predictions using the neural network regression model. Here also, user can select the required number of months to forecast it using this formula. Then the plot will automatically generate and give the predictions after the selected number of months to forecast it. The forecasting points, the user will be able to see all the predictions that are calculated from this model. And the forecasting report by year, user will be able to see the predictions according to the year selected. forecasting report, user will be able to get the predictions up to year 2030. Here also user can download these reports in both Excel and PDF format. On the dashboard, user will be able to see past tourist arrivals details as well as predicted tourist arrivals details on two dashboards. So here user will be able to customize this dashboard as well. Then the dashboard will update it according to that. Under predicted tourist arrivals also user can customize the report. Here user will be able to compare the predictions that are calculated from ARIMA model and neural network auto regression model. So, for example, if the user want to see the predictions only in this year, user can change this year into 2022. Likewise, user can customize the details and see predictions. Under past tourist arrivals report, user will be able to see past tourist arrivals details. So in the first report, user will be able to select the year and see the past tourist arrivals details. Here also user can download all these past tourist arrival report in both Excel and PDF format. When it comes to data preparation, I used data from 2008 January to 2021 December to build the ARIMA model and the neural network auto-regression model. So this is the way I use data for that. And also to create the past tourist arrivals dashboard, I use the data from 2020 January to 2021 December. Here I use separate data sheets to feed the data.